I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was you.
How dare you?
Bring a towel.
What did he say?
Fast.
Filthy Maid's hitting on my daughter's fiancé.
Here you are.
There.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Duval, she's such a klutz.
I tripped.
See? Nothing happened. Now get back to work.
Enough. She needs rest. She came this close to dying. That style feels familiar. Just like... Man! You've got some real talent. Where'd you learn to draw like that?
God gave me passion for art. If I could start over, I'd create, not destroy.
Whoa. That's some next level gloom right there.
I've messed up big time. And my beloved Monica paid for it. I can only hope God forgives me. My daughter can't end up like that. So she's safe until she's grown up. Find her, brother. And if she's still pure at heart and body, my damn money won't harm her.
The lines. Leonard style. She's just obsessed with this. And seriously talented. Eliana Lowe.
Planning to apply for a position at my company?
It's real.
What are you doing here? Why are you here?
I feel exposed and naked under his gaze.
Damn it, get it together. She might be your late friend's daughter. Your works. They're impressive. Are you a virgin?
Why does that even matter? Just leave, or I'm gonna scream.
Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. You should rest. Dig up everything on Eliana Lowe. She's tied to Rochelle's family.
No one must know about your assignment.
Understood, boss. Will do.
That faked being sick. And now, she's all over my fiancé.
If you want this plan to actually work, use your brain, not that. The maid's no match for you. Relax. She's a virgin. And guys only want one thing. Give him that. But don't lose your head. He'll forget about everything else. Even better, if you end up pregnant.
Before the wedding?
Don't be so naive. I know you're not a virgin anymore.
Mom!
Well, how do you think I married your father?
Ew.
How's she? Has she woken up?
She needs rest. How did Eliana end up with you? How did Eliana end up with you?
Ileana? The maid? My dear mother took her in back when the dementia was already kicking in. I only let that stay because I was being nice. Her mom was a hooker. Her dad was a junkie.
Do we really have to talk about the maid now?
I'll let you two have some time.
Your shirt! It's soaked!
You're trying too hard, Celeste.
I know what you really need.
Shame about your dress. It might stain.
I can take it off right now.
There can't be anything between us.
But I'm your fiancé.
I'm afraid you might also be the heiress I've been searching for.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. So many weird coincidences. This birthmark. Not knowing my real parents. I'm so glad to finally figure out who I really am.
If you're the heiress, first and foremost, you're my friend's daughter.
But,
Intimacy is out of the question.
But I'm your fiancé. And, let's be honest, my father won't find out about our...
Leonard's heiress only gets the inheritance if she's pure in soul and body. That is, you must be pure in soul and body.
So, here's everything I could find. Madeleine Rochelle is the owner of the fashion house Maison de l'Homme. Marina Rochelle, Madeleine's eldest daughter, divorced, has a daughter, Celeste.
How are they related to the girl?
Patient, sir. Next, Monica Rochelle, Madeleine's youngest daughter, died under mysterious circumstances, leaving her 4-year-old daughter, Eliana, an orphan. No photos exist.
They're just using her as a maid.
Yes.
Let's get her an internship. Those sketches are hers. She's talented.
Okay, I'll contact her.
No. We'll meet in person. Let's do it right now.